Okay, hi. Click on Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design. Name the part as you wish. Click OK. Select XY plane and then select the sketch option. This will open the sketch window. Take the circle, the center should be 0.0 origin. Click on it and then without clicking anywhere else, move your cursor to the radius. Enter the radius as 0.472 inches. So this will be 0.472 inches. To properly scale this thing, you can click here. It's a fit all in option. Now you exit the workbench. All the toolbars are here. Here's the workbench option. Exit the workbench. You need to now extrude it, which is called pad. For that, you have to open up the correct window. So bear with me. Here, sketch based features. Click on this pad. This will open an options menu. Use the this will be length will be 7.874. Okay, 7.874 inches. Okay, again to fit it all in, here it is. Now you go now you again go to the YZ plane and click on sketch again. Here you will first make a line along the center axis anywhere and of any length, it doesn't matter, and you'll mark a point which will be 0.787. 0. Okay, vertical will be 0 and horizontal will be 0.787 inches, right? 0.787. okay, 0.787 inches, and press enter. This will create the point. You exit the workbench. You now click on Start, Mechanical Design, and go to the wireframe surface design option. Here you will this option will be here, which is this one, helix. In this just a sec. Now you have the starting point will be the point we created and the axis will be the center line. Pitch will be for the first helix 3.543 inches. 3.543 inches, and height will be 7.874 inches. Click OK. Once this is done, we need to go back to the part design. Click on structure, go back to part design, click on the YZ plane again, go to sketcher, make a circle with radius of 0.591 inches. doesn't look good. Just a sec. Sorry, it will be the radius is half of it, 0.236. Radius is shit. You can click on it and delete and create another circle. 0.236 inches. Yes. You now exit the workbench. Go to click on rib here. Profile will be this one. Center curve will be the helix, and click OK. This forms the helix, the first helix. Now for the second helix, we need to do the same thing again, but we already have the axis and the line, so we again go to mechanical design, wireframe design. We click on helix definition. We select the starting point as just a sec. The axis will be this and the starting point will be now. Sorry, just a sec. Okay. Okay, so sorry about that. You go to mechanical design, part design. You will create, you go back to YZ plane on the sketch, click on a point again, and this time the distance in the vertical value will be 1.969. Okay, and the horizontal will be here. Again, doesn't looks right. Just a second. Okay, let's do this. Take a point, go to sketcher, take a point, and you have to see the radius should fit. The two helixes should not intersect. So for that we check the radius, 0.236. So it should be bigger than that, and we have here. So now we go back to part mechanical design, wireframe, helix, and let's see if we get the starting point and an axis. If the pitch sets good, for the second helix pitch is 3.543. You can just copy paste it, and the height is 9.0 0.55 inches. Okay, so we preview it and kind of looks good, so we say okay. We again go to mechanical design, part design, and we create another circle at this one of the same radius as the previous helix, which is 0.236, and we exit the workbench and we rivet. Center curve is this helix, and we say preview, and it looks like there's no problem here. We say okay, and that's it, it's done. If it looks odd, then just you can click here on part body pad, and you can double click on pad, it will open this thing. You can increase the height of the pad, and click OK, and the pad definition, the main vessel, is increased. If you want to change colors, right click on just a second.